Blitz Game. This is a game for one or more players. The aim of the game is to have the lowest total showing on the remaining cards at the end of the game. Start by rolling both dice. If all of cards 7, 8 and 9 have been taken, the player may choose to roll 1 or 2 dice.
To play Blitz, I am going to remove any combination of cards that sums to 8. So I could take 8 or 1 and 7 or 6 and 2 or 5 and 3. I could also take 5, 1 and 2. 3 and 1, oh, also 1, 3 and 4. I'm going to choose to take card 8. Okay, 1 and 5 is 6. I'm going to take card 6. However, I could have chosen to take 1, 2 and 3 together, or 4 and 2, or 1 and 5. 5 and 2 is 7. I'm going to take card 7, but my other choices would have been 5 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 4. One and 2 is 3. I'm going to take card 3 rather than card 1 and 2. I've got 7 there. So I can do 5 and 2. Oh, that's lucky. 5 and 4 is 9. So now that I've removed cards 9, 8 and 7, I can choose whether I roll both dice or only 1. I think it's probably sensible to only roll 1. Oh, so card 1 can go. I'm now hoping for a 4. Oh, so I haven't cleared all of the cards, and my score at the end of this round is 4. I was hoping to get a score of 0.
Put the cards back and pack in order. Follow the instructions, but have a great time.